Welcome to our channel, NGC Motovlog, no? So we are here going to the Ginobatan, no? Ginobatan, heading to the site we are selling the 8.8 hectares. 8.8 hectares.
So nindot kayo ni guys, no, kay dire dapita from the highway. It's really along it's really a concrete road, no, concrete road ang imagian. Then in the long run apod, no, in the long run pag abot na to sa sentro sa Barangay La Union, so that is 8.8 hectares
Sila dire.
located in Barangay La Union, Trinidad, Bohol. So, mao na siya guys, no? Barato kayo, 6.5 million pesos net. Meaning all expenses to transfer from seller to the buyer is on the buyer side. Buyer side na guys. So, just contact me, message me. So, this is the route, no? 8. There is it is along the river and along also with rice bed and with coconut trees. Coconut trees ano guys is very few, more or less nasa mga 50 pesos or less. So this is the road, no, going to the property. So money siya guys. So as you can see, this is we are here at Barangay Ginobatan. So diri tani agi sa Barangay Ginobatan. So nindot kayo ang road sa Ginobatan, Barangay Ginobatan guys, no. Kay kuan siya kanang concrete road yun, no. Then there is a school, no, mao gina siya guys. So mo na situation abo sa kuan going to the property.
Road or Barangay Road. This is Barangay Road. Paingon sa La Union. So morning road, no, Barangay Road. Usually diri guys, wa tay klaro nga transportation. Naay mga tricycle on schedule pero mas nindot o nakay kabulingon imong sakyanan like motorcycle. Kay kung dire daghan man habal-habal, madak-an ka kay namoy lay taripa. Those are single taxi. Yun na ni guys, hindi kay kuya dire mingaw, no problem, no. Grabe ba tayo?
So along the way guys, there are so many houses na, big houses, buildings, no. Kini Bandiri guys is not really from Kwan, they are migrated from other provinces, no. Gikan is ubang mga probinsya like Cebu. So nindot magod ang yuta diri sa Kwan guys. It is has a good soil, mostly here in Bohol. So mo nang uban di ana gid kasagaran. So this is the center of barangay La Union, no man yang La Union guys, no. So after this rough road going to the property. So we show the guys the terrain going to the property. Ato lang gipakita guys, no. Mao gid na ang location going to the property
from highway.
So ani ni siya guys, much better you can have your own motorcycle. Mas nindot na kay imong sakyanan or kuan naman sa guys kanang ang location nato not yet develop ang road going to the kuan property. Much better magmotor lang ta. Pero kung magdala gyud tag sakyanan, if we really bring a car for wild drive, I think we need to kanang stop at the road, then leave the car, then just walk around 50 meters away. So 50 metros na ang lakawon. So mao na siya guys, no. So usually mga guys, we are riding motorcycle during the site visit of the property. So mao ni ato la pong i-vlog so that you can familiarize also the terrain going to the property. Mao ni purpose na to nga ato ning i-vlog. Then you can see the surroundings. So mao na nindot, no. Again, the location is located in Barangay La Union, Trinidad, Bohol. So it's northern part of Bohol province. So ani ni guys, but this road is going to concrete kay I heard kadungog ko that there are coming roads, concrete road ilan na ni gisurvey from the mo traverse, no, near to the property. So dili sad kay our property is approximately kuan man guys, from the what you call that, from the town proper, it is around, kung ari ta mag-agi sa Ginubatan, it takes around kuan guys mga 7 kilometers yun, no? 7 to 8 kilometers. Then the good thing is the road is very passable, so magian ra ang mga karsada. Then nindot pod, there are neighborhoods, no? Daghan na kag mga kuan diri. And this road is connecting to the, if you say in the internet, Rams Nature Park. Nindot kay actually our property we are selling is good for kuan guys, nature park development, no? Pwede sa siya piggery, poultry, it's really good, no? So this is our kuan road atong agianan going to the property. So nindot kayo, no? So yeah, the people are really friendly. So there's no problem with the situation, no? Wala siya guys. So that is why we make another YouTube channel which is NGC Motovlog. Usually guys, di man ako i-appeal ang kanang going to the road, no? Kung mag-publish na ako sa property, it's along kuan naman po video. So here, depende na to, no? You just contact me.
May mga masakan nga gitawag usaod ra guys. Salig na sa langit ba? Sa uwan. Kung init kung dayon patay luoy jud kayo.
So actually guys, if we travel or if we go on the other way, no, sa lain na dianan, we can have just around 2 kilometers away from National Highway. Pero ato na nalusot sa barangay Kabiguhan. So mana siya, no? Barangay Kabiguhan na siya mulusot. So mao na, no, ang property nga atong ginabaligya, it's 8.8 hectares. 8 ka-hektarya kapin, just 6.5 million pesos. It's a titled property, no? Yeah, there is a building. Yung kanang building nila guys, it's around kuan na guys, kanang ni consume na nag 3.5 million according to the owner. So mao na siya guys, no? So ato na lang gi-appeal direct para na purpose yun nganong naghimot pag NGC Motovlog. NGC Motovlog is ninyo humawas katursa. So mara na siya guys, no? Ato lang kung isipari ko gamay na gamay na video about sa property. So ingon ana. So para nindot na sa iyo. So this is the property guys, no? It's a rolling terrain, very good for poultry, piggery, and it's along the river. And if you convert this into a inland resort, just like the Rams Nature Park, nindot sa siya guys. Super nindot yun siya, no? Yeah, if you are going to have a piggery business, nobody can compare to the other locations because it is a dead end naman siya guys. It's along the river naman eh. Ang Utlanan is river din. Even if you can have more than 1,000 or 5,000 heads of pigs, maybe nobody, the government will allow, no? Allow yun. Or even you convert this into a poultry development. So this is the house, no? Ni kuha nagastos sila mga 3.5 million. So now they are selling, so money siya. So again, 8.8 hectares for a package price of 6.5 million pesos net. Thank you.